Welcome back, everybody. Good afternoon, girls and boys. So this is a special video with a very special request to an extremely very special individual. And that individual is GREENGRO Biologicals, and it's my big brother Jesse. So let me introduce myself. Okay, Freedom Gardens, and I'm showing you that I'm fully legal, fully compliant. You can cultivate up to 99 plants. And this is my official rec with the golden seal. It's official. It's the most recent one, and it was mailed to me because they don't do walk-ins due to the pandemic, or else I would have had it laminated like they did when you in the previous years when you could do a walk-in. So these are the ones from the past, 2021, 2022. And this is my x-ray image, one of them. This is where I got damaged, the main damage. So it's neck, mid-back, low back, L5S1 disc through my previous employer as an apprentice and electrician. I apologize about that. So this is my little portfolio that I put together that goes with my grow to show that I'm fully compliant. If there's any authority or anyone wants to see my documentation, this is the copy. I do apologize for poor lighting. And this is what this video is about. Right now, if anything happens with the law or anyone needs to see that this is my medicine, and it's strictly organic, and it's specifically for my recovery, for my healing, for my for my multiple lumbar spine work-related injuries. And this is more medical documents. Okay. So we met at the MJ BizCon, where I interviewed and met a lot of these wonderful people and companies, just like yourself. But I strictly want to reach out specifically to you. From all these individuals, and so now allow me to share with you my special requests. So number one is to sponsor my grow, which is a 5x5 by 6.5 AC Infinity brand new grow tent. Number two, any new upcoming products for testing and reviewing. Number three, any items and products that have been returned due to defective, damage, faulty, and or needs repairs. Number four, any item products in clearance sale, 50-60% off high D discounts. Number five, in the past, previous years, any inventory as far as items and products that have been discontinued. Number 6, accepting any and all donations. Number 7, proudly number 7, proudly supporting USA American made, here, local. And finally, number 8, accepting it as a giveaway prize opportunity. For example, like in other social media platforms, Instagram and Twitter, when you gotta do repost, tag, and comment to enter a giveaway. So yeah, so hopefully out of these 8 special requests, y'all can make something work for me, and we can work something out. And reach out to me. I will document and share in all my social media platforms, and potentially I could become part of the family and the grow team.
Okay, now keeping all that in mind, you know me, I always do my research, and yes, I've taken the time to look at your catalog, product catalog, and as far as like certain items that I'm very interested, like the Earthshine Biochar Blend. Well, you know something, if it'll be possible, I don't know if it's too much to ask for, one of each. I don't know if you guys have like a sample. Yeah, so, oh yeah, so there you go. So Jesse, I just recall, I remember, you know how we did the interview and I was at the MJ BizCon? Well, it actually hit me, and I finally realized, I was like, you know something, I walked away and I didn't get one sample from the whole display, from your whole table. So, yeah, see if you could send me one of each if possible, or whatever you can, or whatever, you know, it's possible to send me, or, you know, get me some of this product. But yeah, so, but I do remember seeing someone like the Nature's Bricks. I have to look at the video, but I'm actually using the Price Land, the soil. Yeah, so actually let me lay it out. I'll be back so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. I'll be back. Welcome back, everybody. So yeah, so like I was telling you, Jesse, I don't know if it's possible if I could get one of each sample, or the smallest size, you know, of the container or the product. Yes, and as you can tell, we'll share and document it, and I'll go on my social media and on my YouTube and everything. So yeah, so I went ahead and I got the Price Land, this one, the premium potting soil. So my local grow shop is LA Garden Supply. That's where I went to go pick it up. Show you the receipt. And also, I'm using the Blooms Florecer 2-5.5-5.5 Plylands, which is the Nature's Prize now, Prize Land, yeah. So hopefully you can hook me up and work something out, so I can follow this whole the charts and do grows and runs with everything, you know. So yeah, please let me know what you can do, and what we can work out. But I would really appreciate it. I would love it if you could reach out, and I could, you know, do a test run on everything and show how to and details. Yeah, so if there's a possible way for me getting one of each sample, starter pack, or
Just
It's
like
the
have all these
smallest
genetics.
size.
It's all seed packages right here. About 13 of them from different breeders. So I have everything that I need. I just need a good lighting source. Yeah, I'm still missing a couple of things, but definitely I do need a lighting source. But yeah, so I went to the MG BizCon and I met all these people, but I did my research and I'm reaching out to you guys. So I can start popping and growing my own medicine for my spine, my lumbar spine. Okay, so I can start growing my own natural organic medicine, and we could hook up my girl, pimp out my girl. There you go, pimp instead of pimp my ride, pimp my girl. Yeah, so there you go. Okay.